What's good, guys? So in this video I'm going to be showing you a brand new method to do affiliate marketing. This is a brand new method. I've never talked about this specific method. We are going to be using a bunch of new tools as well that are not only free but also are going to simplify the execution and the development of this method. And all of this means is that you'll be able to go out and promote various affiliate marketing programs a lot more effectively and a lot more efficiently. All right, so let's begin. So, the first thing you guys want to think about is what kind of offers do you want to promote? Now, you can promote all kinds of offers, right? It doesn't matter. Or you can pick a niche and say, okay, James, I want to promote weight loss programs, or I want to promote fitness programs, or I want to promote make money online programs, right? It really depends how you want to approach it. Now, I highly recommend that you pick a niche and stick to it, okay? And so in this video, I'm going to be doing it with a very, very specific niche. And the niche we're talking about is hosting affiliate programs, okay? Because if you're targeting business owners or entrepreneurs or future entrepreneurs, they need to host their site somewhere. It's no surprise that a lot of hosting programs make a ton of money. And so that is a good starting point if you want to make money online. And so, for instance, if I do something like this in Google, top hosting affiliate programs, you're going to see pages here. Now, this is very important. You guys got to understand. The results here that you see on the first page and the links and the programs they're promoting, there is a reason they do that. Because in order to appear on this front page for this very, very competitive and very, very profitable search term here, you have to do a lot of work. It means spending a lot of time optimizing SEO. It means spending a lot of effort, doing it right, spending a lot of money, etc., etc. So if I open this link here, right, this first to second result from websiterating.com, and you can bet they spent a lot of money hiring professionals and all that. We have here a list, best web hosting affiliate programs in 2022. And so you see this list here. Now, you guys, you got to understand it. Like, nobody's going to tell you out there except me. And this is something you got to learn by yourself, is that if you see this list and you see this being on the front page of Google, you can bet 1000% they're making good money with these programs, with all of these programs. And probably they're making money with these programs, more money with these than with these, because they're listing them up on top. You got to understand that. That's very, very important to understand that. And so they have reviews and all that. But what we're really looking for is this list here, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this list and we are going to be promoting it using a very, very special and underground method. Now, in order to kind of do what I'm doing here, you want to install a Chrome plugin called Scrape Similar. Once you do that, you can right click, go to Scrape Similar, and you can actually copy this. Now, another plugin that I recommend as well is called Copy Tables. If you install Copy Table, now what you guys want to do is you want to right click, go to Table, go to Copy, and do As Is. Okay, you want to do that. Next, you want to go to a site called Airtable, and you want to sign up for your free account. You're going to do that. Once you do that, you're going to be on a screen that looks something like this. What we're going to do is we're going to add a base here. And once this base is created, we can close this. All we have to do is go to this first cell and Control V. And it says expand the table. We're going to hit continue. And right away, we just copied the table into our Airtable. And it's exactly perfectly formatted. Name, notes, attachments, status. So actually, we can rename that. This should be name, commission payout, sign up link review. So let's change it around here. You can just double click on it. And what we're going to do is commission. We're going to say sign up link. We're going to say status. So guys, remember this. These are links where you have to go and sign up. So what you need to do is you're going to click here. And you're going to sign up for this specific program. It's not about listing the offers, because this table here is for us. But we are going to be showing it to the end user. So that's why you got to go and sign up for these programs. The great thing about it is that a lot of times they don't require a website. They don't require any kind of approval process. You don't need to get on a Skype call with anybody, like as the case is with Max Bounty or ClickBank. It's actually very, very simple, and this is great for beginners, people who have never done affiliate marketing or who have very, very little experience with affiliate marketing. So that is what you want to do is you want to sign up for all of these programs here, and you're going to get your link. Once you get your link, you're going to go back here, and you're going to have your link. You're going to say link, and then you're going to have your URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here. I'm going to say customize field type, and I'm going to say this is a URL. Okay, I'm going to pick URL. All right, save. And now it's going to be a bunch of URLs. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here, and we're going to do that. And I'm just going to make it all Google, which is kind of what I like to do, but you can create it. This is obviously going to be your affiliate link. It's not going to be on Google. Status, we don't need status, right? We're going to delete this field, okay? So now we have the name of the program, the commission, and the sign-up link. We also do not need commission because commission is for us. What I would recommend here is you want to rename it to like description or something, right? Because we're going to explain something about this program. We're going to say, this is a great service. Sign up for just, $5 per month. Or if they have a free plan, free trial, you can talk about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a little bit of a description, and I'm going to fill it out. So that way they all have the same description. And that is kind of all you need to get started, all right? So once you have this table, you can also rename this as hosting providers. Now remember, guys, this does not need to be hosting providers. You can say this could be weight loss offers. This could be anything, okay? I just like hosting providers because they pay a lot of money, right? You got to follow the money. Look at that, $150 to $7,000, $50 to $500, $200, $50 to $200, $85 to $140, right? The money is good. You can do also Bitcoin marketplaces, right? Like Bitcoin sites, like Coinbase, exchange sites. You can have a whole niche. Crypto is very, very hot right now, so you can kind of do crypto if you want. So once we have this, you want to go to a site called noloco.io, okay? It's noloco.io. You're going to come here, and you're going to sign up for your free plan, all right? Once you do that, and you're going to be on a site that looks something like this. We have various users here, but what you want to do is you want to go to data and APIs, and you want to say new source. We're going to say Airtable base. We can call it hosting providers. Now it wants our API key. So what you guys got to do is you got to go in here. You got to go back to Airtable. Okay, you're gonna go to your account, and you're gonna go to your account here, and then you're gonna see this API key. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this API key. I copied it. I'm gonna go back to noloco. And I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to hit next. And so right now it says click share the top right of your base, choose base, and then create a copy shared link. Okay. So it's telling me what I need to do, right? I'm going to hit share. I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to hit share, and I'm going to create this private link. It's going to be shared using this link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it. Okay. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to hit next. And it's telling me that everything is fine. Table analysis complete. Imported one table and 4 columns. It has imported everything checked out because I followed their directions. I'm going to say, bring me to my app. I'm going to click this. And so now that we imported our data, it's here. Now it's completely here. It's like a website that you can share with people. And so here, what I can do is I can choose this edit mode here. And that way I can click here. I can edit this whole table. So I can say hosting plans. Okay, hosting plans. There you go. Now it's going to have a URL path of hosting plans. And you can change how these pages are configured. You have advanced settings, so you can modify these fields. You have various buttons as well. You can change the sign-up link. What exactly is it? The sign-up link or URL. You can, you can have it as a button. So now it says open. We can have the button text sign up now, or learn more. Open a new tab. You can do that. And you can close it up. And you can change all of these fields as you want. You can disable a field. You can enable it, right? So I'm going to enable the sign up link again. Now it's here, and I want to make sure that it's actually a button. So we're going to say button. It could be an image. We're going to say learn more because we need to save that. Learn more. There you go. And now you kind of have your it's set up perfectly. You have a list here that's connected to a database, and it's always going to be online. You don't need a website. You don't need anything. You can change the header, so the title is going to be hosting plans. As you can see right there, hosting plans. You can have a display, full width table. You can do cards, right? This is nice. You can do columns, split view. You can have a board. So I would recommend just doing cards. Cards is kind of cool. You can have an image here. You can filter fields. So many great things that you can do. You can have buttons, various buttons here. Really, really, flexible system. You can do a lot of great things with it. And once you launch this thing is going to be out there. So if I click on that, you see all of this is editable as well. This is what it looks like. And I have a title here. I can add a title. I can delete it. I can change the visibility, and it's all automatic, right? It's all automatic. The sign up link, I can come in here and I can say, well, this is actually a link. And so it says open, and I can say learn more, right? There's so much flexibility here. And this is great for guys that want to just, make it as flexible as they want. They want to customize it, everything. You can have the title here, and look at this. This is the title of this detail page. Learn more, and you can come in here. Dynamic text, we can have logged in user, we can have options, any field formula, dates, a lot of great things here. Learn more about this hosting provider details, something like this. You can have a subtitle, you can have action buttons. You can say, well, action 1, here's the button. And you can say, well, I want this button to be learn more. I want it to be something else. You can have a title. We can have dynamic text, signature, all these lots of great things that you can do. And so you can have a button here if you want to learn more. You can delete it, right? It's really up to you. There's so many great things that you can do with this tool. And this means never needing to go out and build your own site ever again. And then you're going to go back here. And now you have this page here. It has a URL path. You can, configure it. So here's how it is. Now you can just share the link and say, well, guys, I have set up for you hosting plans, right? And this doesn't look like a regular website. This actually looks like some kind of an internal tool or an internal site. And you can say, hey, guys, I created this special page on my own company's internal tools. And it's there for you guys. And you can hit learn more, and that's going to redirect to Google, which is where the links are set up. And you can configure it to your heart's desire. You can do lots and lots of amazing things. And now, guys, you can redirect this directly to the service. But another thing you guys can do is you can go to Arengu, Google for Arengu, right? This thing here. And you're going to click on the first result. And you can create a quick form where you can redirect to the users first to this form, and then later, once they're done with the form, we can redirect them to that website we just created. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to hit login here, and I'm going to log in as Google. And so I'm logged in right now. I'm going to create a new form. I'm going to say lead generation. Actually, not even. I'm just going to do a blank form. Use this template. And here I can ask a bunch of questions, right? I don't want to do it because I think I've showed you guys before, but you can just drag and drop a bunch of text. So this could be like question 1. This could be question 2. This could be question 3. And then you can have a display block, and this is going to do a redirection, and we are going to redirect to our site, right? Hosting plans. We're going to redirect here after 3 seconds. We're going to say, thank you. Your form has been submitted successfully. And you guys can do like a, let's see, we have rich text. You can do HTML. You can do rich text here. And you can kind of explain, a little bit, description about this form, something, or what this form is about. And you can ask them questions, how long, what kind of business are you starting? How many employees do you have? What kind of hosting do you need? And that lets you qualify the user. And then after you're done, you can just hit publish. You can hit preview, fill it out, answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. And then when you hit submit, it's going to redirect to our site that we just created. Look at that. 3 seconds passed, and here we are on the hosting plans. And this is available online on the internet, and you can create more stuff. You can delete all this very, very easily. And now they can take a look. Scala hosting, iPage, WP Engine, and they can say learn more, and they can sign up using your affiliate link. All right, guys. So this is a super advanced underground method. Like I said, you can promote just about any niche, or you can promote a bunch of offers not belonging to a single niche. It's really, really up to you. Although I would highly recommend promoting a very specific niche. And guys, you can go back here and you can create various niches. You can have hosting plans, weight loss offers, you can have etc., etc. Just hit new table, link it to your Airtable database or to your Google Sheets database if you want. I would just recommend Airtable. And you can have various things. And then you're going to have a link, right? So if I hit companies, that's a link right here. If I hit hosting plans, that's a link right here. You can create multiple pages, and it looks super legit, like it's some company's internal page that's supposed to be only shared with their employees, but it's being shared with other people as well. So it's a really nice underground method. All right, guys, so that is what I wanted to show you guys today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Support this video by giving it a fat like, and leave a comment as well telling me what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you have any suggestions? Do you have any comments? Let me know below what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to be notified of when new videos drop having to do with making money online using all kinds of slick underground methods. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you real soon.